What's up, YouTubers? Today I'm going to make a baby shower basket for a boy. I have definitely done one of these before, so figure why not do a video of it this time. So here are a couple of things that I picked up from Burlington's. Some baby towels, really soft. Some receiving blankets. Some bibs. And a cute little outfit. And this nifty little basket. Not really sure exactly what I'm gonna use here, but I have some pipe cleaners, is what they call them. Just some little sticker letters, some treat bags, some cupcake holders. I forgot to mention that I didn't end up using the foam board, and I added scissors and tape as well. Board and some plastic cups. So all that I'm doing here is clipping off the tags from the products and putting them in the trash bag that I have off to the side of me. So for the first one, you're going to fold it in half. Then I'm just going to keep rolling it. And then you'll see me adding tape to the ends to make sure that they're secured. Then after that, you're going to go ahead and just turn it on its side and just start tucking and rolling at the same time. And then go ahead and just tape the end of that. And there you have it. So here what I'm doing is adding the spoon to the back for the stem of the lollipop. Normally I'll use a baby spoon, but this was all that I had at the moment, so I just had to work with it. And now I'm gonna add that plastic from the treat bag and just kind of wrap it around. And it came with the little zip ties. So you'll see me grabbing one of those and just wrapping it around. Time for the cupcake. So I'm going to get the bib, fold it in half, and then I'm going to go ahead and start rolling it there. And then once you get to the end, you're just going to go ahead and get a piece of tape and tape it over just so that it'll stay. And pull out the little piece in the center just to give the cupcake feel. Now I'm going to get the towel, just fold it in half once, and roll the bib up in it so it gives like a double layer to your cupcake. Then grab a piece of tape there and tape that part also. Then I'm going to get the cupcake holder and just kind of sit it in there to your liking, kind of play around with it. And there you have it, a cupcake. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab the little treat bag and put your cupcake inside of it. And the same thing as the lollipop, I'm just going to twist that and use one of the little zip ties that you see me getting. And just go ahead and wrap that around. And then eventually you'll see me kind of cut some of that plastic off the treat bag because it was too long. Moving on to my milkshake, these are my receiving blankets and I'm folding it hot dog style. Then I'm going to fold that corner over there and just start rolling it. This is just a close-up so you can see exactly what I mean by folding that corner. So here's a close-up of the milkshakes, the cupcakes, and the lollipops. All done. There's some extra stuff that I had, and I just went ahead and tucked that at the bottom of the little basket. So now you're just going to kind of see me kind of putting everything together. So I'm just going to let you guys see that. And there you have it, your baby shower gift. I didn't get a chance to get a clip of the ending, but I did go to the Dollar Tree store and got their shrink wrapping paper. And all you need to do is put the basket inside and use a blow dryer and it'll shrink it together. So there you have it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully it'll help you to be able to make something like this for your family or friend for a baby shower. Everything will be in the description box, and I also sell these as well. That will also be linked there. Be sure to subscribe and watch some more of our Horn Family TV.